welcome to the University of Illinois Plant Clinic. Today we're going to be talking about really a pretty serious disease. It's in the family of wilt diseases. And this is a sample from a maple tree. We see that there's all these short indications of branch extension, and that suggests to us that this tree has been under stress for a number of years and has been growing very slowly, and maple trees aren't supposed to have discolored leaves or these bright fall colors in the middle of summer. They're still supposed to be green. We know from the history of that area that there has been recent construction, and of course we have had some pretty significant droughts the past couple years. Well, what we really suspect is going on with this maple is a fungal disease called Verticillium Wilt. Well, how do we actually know if that's what's going on? We need a symptomatic branch that's about as thick as your thumb and about 8 to 10 inches long. You can send several of those. We're looking for vascular discoloration, our diagnostic symptom, and we'll put this in culture. So we'll take little tiny chunks and we'll plate those on a auger. And if you follow a nice sterile protocol, you should be able to isolate any pathogen that happens to be associated with this discoloration. It's actually very difficult to isolate. And the second problem is it's very slow growing in culture, up to 14 or more days. When we get it to the microscope, we're looking for a fungus that has verticillate branching. And that just means that the branches of the fungus are whorled. We have a number of resources about verticillium because it's such a serious disease and can actually kill a tree. It does it very slowly. We have a number of bulletin articles that you can refer to. The reason is verticillium doesn't just affect maple. It doesn't just affect elm. It affects actually over 300 species. So if you have a tree that you need to remove because you have severe dieback from this fungus, you'll want to know what you can replace that tree with. And that's when those resources come in really handy. So that's verticillium. A very difficult disease to deal with and a little bit difficult to accurately diagnose. But we're hoping that that's not what's on our maple, but I think that's probably what we're going to find.